Hi honeys, it's Michelle. In this video, I'm going to be doing my Stitch Fix unboxing. Stitch Fix is doing something new. I believe it's called Pick Your Style. If I'm wrong, I'll put the name of it up here somewhere. But basically what they do is your stylist will send you items and you get to choose whether or not you're interested in them and then go from there. And they're doing a beta test on it, so not everybody's being selected. I happen to be one of the lucky people that was, I think, randomly selected to try it. What I got was 10 different items, and I was able to say whether or not I wanted them in my box, which I think is really nice that they're doing it that way now. Or I hope they start doing it that way for everybody. I think it makes it easier too to let my stylist know what I do and don't like and why, or why I might not be picking certain things. This is what they sent. These items on the bottom are what I picked. So I already have an idea of what these are. But then we have a blue item. I think this might be a dress or a jumper. And then there's something khaki. Maybe this is shorts or capris. And then something jean material. I'm assuming maybe it's a pair of jeans. The first item is, oh, okay. This is a pair of capri pants by Democracy in an 18. I have gained so much weight over the holidays that I think I'm up to an 18 on the bottom, but I think I'm still a 16 on the top. So luckily they saw my note about that. These are the pants that are supposed to lift, expand, and enhance for a universal fit. And these have elastic all the way around on the waist. And then there's these shorts here. I like that these have the buttons on the front. I actually really like button front shorts. And I like that the pockets are in the front too. I don't know how these will look on me. They look like they might be a little short. I tend to get a little insecure about my legs when I'm at this weight. So these are stretch, I can tell that, and they're an 18, and the brand is Violet and Ross. So those look really cute. I hope they're not too short, but we'll see. I love the olive color though. I love that they're not cuffed. I don't mind cuffed jeans or capris, but cuff shorts, I just don't like the way they look on me, unless they're Bermuda length or longer. This pretty blue item here is, oh, it's a dress. And it looks like it's supposed to be long sleeved, although my arms and legs are super long. So it's probably a 3/4 length on me. We'll see. These might be, well, I guess I could push them up and have them at my elbow. So that might still be cute. But I really like the color and the pattern. This is a DM collection dress. Oh, sorry. Donna Morgan. Mavin split neck dress in Cobalt in a 16. So that's really cute. And then the two items that I picked are this dress here. It's this beautiful lace dress. I thought this would be nice for a wedding, going to like a buffet for brunch, especially if I go somewhere nice. Like, I was just talking to Brad's sister about the Four Seasons. They have a tea room you could go in. It's pretty expensive, but this is the kind of thing I would wear to the tea room. So it's got a scalloped edging on the front and the back. It's just super cute. It's got a halter cut to it. It does have lining, so hopefully I don't have to worry about things showing through. But this lace is so pretty. I love this kind of lace. It's just so feminine. The brand is Fortune and Ivy, and this is in a 1X. And then because I get insecure about my arms, Brad and I thought this would be really cute over the dress, so I don't have to show my arms if I don't want to. I just think this is so cute. It's got that tie-dye look that I really like. And this is Bobeau in a 1X. It's a Wallace brushed cardigan. I'm excited to try this stuff on. I think that one thing that has really helped is by having them send me the list of pick your items, I'm able to say, I really want to try those 2 items. So I knew when this box was coming, there was at least 2 things that I was excited to try on. And I think for me personally, this might be the key to getting me more excited about Stitch Fix again. I've got the shorts on. Try to. I do feel like the pockets being in the front is nice because I feel like I could throw my keys or my little wallet or lip gloss in the front pockets and it wouldn't fall out. I also like the pockets being here because it doesn't draw so much attention to my hips. When the pockets are on the side, that's all you see is hips coming at you. But I don't think these are necessarily too short. I like that they're stretchy. And they feel like when I walk, they're not bunching up between my thighs, which a lot of shorts do. I think they're really comfortable. Marty likes these. Oh, Marty, I'm so excited you're making an appearance in the videos again, huh? These are super comfortable. They don't feel too tight. I feel like I can breathe, which I've been feeling very strangled by my jeans lately. So a lot of them, they say stretch, but it doesn't feel like they're that stretchy. But these do. They feel very comfortable. I like that the distressing is just very minor. I'm kind of falling, I used to like distressed jeans on the knee, but I'm starting to kind of not like that so much. It feels like there's usually a strip going straight across the knee, and then when I sit down, it's cutting into my knee. I'm not sure what that is, but Marty, he's having fun with the bag that, the paper, the tissue that was wrapped around this bundle of clothes, he's having his fun scratching it all up, so. This is the Donna Morgan dress. It feels very Mad Men, doesn't it? I feel like I need to go meet Don Draper for lunch. I probably would push it up here. You see where it comes on my arm? It's got the little slit on the cuff. And it does have a rounded slit on the leg here. It does not have pockets, which for me is a good thing because I always put them on the side, and once again that draws a lot of attention to the hips. I like that it's got the buttons up here too, so if I wanted to I could unbutton it another one. That might be a little too low, but I think this is really cute, and I think that this could be worn to quite a few places. You could wear it to work, you could wear it to church, you could wear it to lunch. There's quite a few places really that you could wear this. Anything that has a business casual dress code. It'd even be cute out to dinner. You could just dress it up with a cute necklace and some nice earrings. I've got the white dress on now. What do you think? This dress has scalloped edging on the front and the back, and then it's got a keyhole opening back here, right there. And then it zips up. I wouldn't recommend wearing black underwear with it like I have on right now. But I don't think you can see too much of the white bra through it. So I definitely wear white or nude colored bras and panties with it. I love this halter cut on the top. I think if you struggle with worrying about this part, like that fat part right there, you know, this sticking out on things, it'll be hidden in a dress like this. So if you want to hide that, this is the dress for you. That was part of why I wanted to get the cover up for this dress, is I didn't want that to show, but it turns out it doesn't show. So I don't know if I'd even care about wearing the cardigan with it. But just to show you what the cardigan looks like, and here's the cardigan with it. But I think this would be cute with some sandals, maybe some wedges. This is the moment of truth, right? This part. Sorry about the noise. I hope you can't hear it, but it's the weekend. Kids are out playing. Okay, the Donna Morgan Mavin split neck dress. This is $88. The cardigan that I'm wearing right now is $58. The dress that I have on is $64. The shorts are $48. And the skinny jean, or what I call the Capri cut jeans, were $68. If I were to keep the entire box, the total would be $326, minus if I kept the whole thing, it'd be a 25% discount, so that's $81.50 off, and then also minus the $20 styling fee that I paid, it would bring the total down to $224.50. So I would save just over $100 if I kept everything in the box. Let me know what you thought. I'm really struggling with this one. I'm not really sure what to keep. So if you were me, what would you keep and what would you send back? Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have a wonderful rest of your day or night. I love you. Bye.